How to use Roblox FPS Unlocker. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. You just have to go to any web browser and then kind of type Roblox FPS Unlocker. You can also put download if you want. Okay, Roblox FPS Unlocker, tap this one and then tap the first site or link that you can see, which is this GitHub. Okay, tap this one. Okay, let me reload this one first. Okay, this is what it looks like, and all you have to do is to scroll down and tap this. Okay, the very first blue link. And then you can see it right here that it is downloading. And once done, all you have to do is to click the folder. So we have here Roblox FPS Unlocker. You just have to click this one and then click this, and then you will see a pop up, a box, something like that. And you just have to wait till it's finished. And then once done, that's it. All you have to do is to simply check right in this area, Roblox FPS Unlocker. So if you can see it right here, and then all you have to do is to go to Roblox and then play any game. After you choose any game, you just have to go to this part here and you can now use this Roblox FPS Unlocker. You can see here toggle console, local settings. If you click advanced, you can see your silent errors and so on. Unlock method, hybrid, memory wide, and so on. If you go to FPS cup, then you can choose any of this cup here. And that's it. That's how easy it is to use this. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.